Greetings of the day. Today's topic is atmospheric pressure. We live on the earth and there is a lot of air around us. The layer of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to several kilometers above the surface of the earth. Air has weight, so it creates pressure on the objects below. The pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight is called atmospheric pressure. Barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured in Pascal and kilopascal. Standard atmospheric pressure used by scientists is about 100 kilopascal, which is the average pressure at sea level. Let us perform an activity to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. Take a full glass of water. Cover the glass with cardboard in such a way that no air in the glass. Invert the glass by placing one hand on the cardboard and the other at the bottom of the glass. After pressing the cardboard, remove the hand from the board. Now see what will happen. You will see the card does not fall because the atmospheric pressure acts on the card in the upward direction and holds the card in place. The upward atmospheric pressure acting on the card is greater than the downward pressure of water on the card. And this shows that the presence of atmospheric pressure around us. On the surface of the earth, the atmospheric pressure is the maximum at the sea level. When we go to high altitudes, then the atmospheric pressure decreases. The mountaineers suffer nose bleeding at high altitudes because at high altitudes the atmospheric pressure is much lesser than our blood pressure. Due to this, some of the blood capillaries burst and blood comes out through the nose of the mountaineers. An astronaut wears a special spacesuit which maintains the normal atmospheric pressure for his body, since there is no atmosphere outside the earth. Different applications of atmospheric pressure in our day-by-day life are: first, drinking straw. The drinking straw is a very thin pipe which is used to drink soft drinks. The drinking straw works on the existence of atmospheric pressure. The lower end of drinking straw is dipped in the soft drink. When we suck at the upper end of the straw with our mouth, the pressure of air inside the straw and in our mouth is reduced. But the pressure acting on the surface of the soft drink is equal to atmospheric pressure. So, the greater atmospheric pressure acting on the surface of the soft drink pushes the soft drink up the straw into our mouth. Second is syringe, a glass tube with the nozzle and piston for sucking in and ejecting liquid in a thin stream is called a syringe. The syringe works on the existence of atmospheric pressure. When the nozzle of a syringe is dipped in a liquid and its piston is withdrawn, the pressure inside the syringe is lowered. The great atmospheric pressure acting on the surface of the liquid pushes the liquid up into the syringe. Third is rubber suction pad. Rubber suction pads are used on the walls to hang clothes and calendars. When rubber suction pad is pressed against the smooth plane surface, the air between the suction pad and the wall is forced out, reducing the pressure inside. The outer atmospheric pressure, being greater, pushes the suction pad strongly and it adheres to the surface of the wall. That's all for today. Thank you.